Ramesh. Ramesh, I don't know if it's Friday factor or something else, but suddenly the screen is looking brighter.
But you might see that the screen is looking brighter today, but actually consolidation was the buzzword of this week, right? Entire week has seen in a very narrow range. The markets have been, or the Nifty and Bank Nifty both have been in a very narrow range, and there is real lack of participation or lack of triggers as well, so to speak. So I guess the big trigger to watch would be, of course, the US-India trade talks and trade deal. That would be a big trigger for markets, and of course the earnings season. The initial reactions are pretty sharp for the Q1 updates in many stocks. We saw what happened to trend today. But again, I'm not saying a big reaction to in terms of flows or, for that matter, any directional moves in the market, at least in the very short term. I guess the big story of the day was the SEBI order on Jane Street, and we saw a big reaction to the capital market plays today. So BSE, Nuvama, Angel One, all are under pressure today. And there is a sense that maybe you'll see a bit of impact on the volumes in the very near term because of this SEBI order, interim order. So that's one big, where we saw a big accident today. From a flow perspective, one thing which has been consistent of late is the buying in the PSUs. Today, for instance, the OMCs stand out in terms of big buying, as well as the PSU bank stocks. So the one consistent theme has been a bit of outperformance in the PSU names, but otherwise it's been a week of consolidation, and so is the trend today as well.
Yeah, absolutely. And trend was case in point, I guess, that the market has absolutely no mood for any disappointment at all. It tells us how to prepare for the earnings season as well. Ramesh, what about individual stocks? What buzz are you picking up today?
So the first stock on my list is DCM Shriram. The stock is down 4% in today's market, but yesterday the stock rallied 15%, and the volumes were on the higher side. And the sense I'm picking is that maybe there is a corporate development around the corner in DCM Shriram. It's a kind of a conglomerate. There are a lot of businesses, and there could be potential value unlocking there. So that's the buzz as far as DCM Shriram is concerned. That's the first stock. The second couple of the PSU names, PSU bank stocks, both Union Bank and Canara Bank, both stands out in terms of very aggressive FI buying today. So expect high delivery volumes in both those names today. And the last stock is Z Entertainment. We've seen a bit of a outperformance in Z as well in the last few weeks. Ever since, in fact, the promoters have announced to put money via preferential warrants. But now there are first signs of some bit of institutional interest back as well in Z Entertainment. So there is a very small buy flow, but nevertheless there is buying interest from larger FIs in Z Entertainment at current price.
Thank you very much for that, Mitesh.